Yeah. Now we like rose art. We don't like Crayola. We like rose art. This is Max against Crayola. These are explosive rounds. Can you hear the explosion? This is Crayola. Looks like we're gonna need to load up the hopper. Say you're sorry for what you have done. You must be punished severely. As you now understand, we are against Crayola. I also do not like trees. See that big tree staring me down right in the center? Say goodbye. We're also against peace and caring and loving. Back to Crayola. Talk, Buster. Tell me the truth. Oh, so you want money, huh? I think you're so special. You won't be getting any money anytime soon. I think we have 2 more rounds left. What should it be wasted on? Crayola? Or peace? Or trees? I think we should find a new target. Like Mr. Shovel over here. Mr. Shovel looks like he's been bad. Say goodbye, Mr. Shovel. Kill confirmed. We have 1 more round. I think we're gonna shoot him again. I think we killed him. Okay, so that was me and my Tipman A5, and that was the killing of the shovel, the peace sign, and the Crayola. So, hope you have a wonderful day. There's my partner in crime, Sergeant Clancy. So, I will be back with some more videos later. Bye.